Guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be showing clips on how I created this perfect, cute little vintage inspired piece. It is a bow hat shelf from a free one that I got from my mother-in-law. But you can thrift one, and let's get started. I am not the creator of this said shelf, but I have made it better. I did first see it on a Facebook group where somebody used a tension rod and these little rings. And I will attach the inspo pic here because I'm not claiming that I came up with this idea. This is inspo. So this project is super simple. All you really need is a shelf, a wood dowel, and some of these cute little curtain rings. I got my wood dowel at Lowe's. And if you have your shelf already or have the measurement, you can actually ask Lowe's to cut it to size for you. I had my husband cut it when we were at home because we have the supplies. And then after that, you pretty much just stain the wood dowel because it's like that nice light wood still, like that natural like white oak. So I stained it, and it's not a perfect match. It's drill in some pilot holes. Is that what they're called? I'm not sure. You pre-drill a hole through the shelf and through the wood dowel.
The purple ones are tired and like nerds. For Halloween, I got like 50 things of nerds.
Mama, I can't believe I just took this out.
But like when we went trick-or-treating here, I got no nerds. I had to get some from Jair.
And then you're going to screw through, and make sure the screw is longer so it fits through both pieces. It can't just fit through the wood shelf. It needs to be like at least a ½ inch through the wood dowel, or it'll just fall out. And so I did that side, and then I did the other, and you'll see the clips. I made clips for you.
What is it called? It's like that, like daddy candy.
Daddy candy?
Yeah, it's something.
Taffy?
No. Oh. It's a sugar daddy.
Daddy candy.
I was gonna say baby daddy, but then I was like, that doesn't sound right.
See your baby sissy's shelf I made? With the little bows will clip on.
Why so many?
Got a lot of bows.
Oh.
Ta-da!
Okay. I need to drill holes in this to mount. What do you think? Shall we? You think we should do your hats and your bikini bows? It looks adorable. Oh, your little hats. Okay. You take a time out. Are you hungry? Why do I keep pointing things? I don't. Hey y'all, I tried to film this video with my hair up, and I looked at all the clips and was like, ugh. Did you have a good nap? Immediately no, hard pass. Hair up, oof. It's not my look. Okay.
Making a video.
I'm making a video while I make a shelf.